like a Hellcat.
What's up, guys? All right, we made it. We're here in Bowling Green for Camaro Fest 2018. That almost looks like a Lethal Garage. Yep. So if you're new to this channel, we don't just do Hellcat stuff or Mustang stuff. This is an every car channel. We love them all. Man, there's some nice stuff here. So let's go check them out. So I do hope that you guys enjoy this video, and please hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on, hit the bell, and give me a thumbs up. That is Guitarmageddon, right there in that red ZL1. This is the man right here.
You'll never stop.
I know. How you doing? I'm Alex. What's up, man? Big fan. Thank you. It's nice to see this come together. Yes, came together very quickly. But it's here, so it's good. So, what's your best time so far today? I didn't race today with. I raced this today, just like, kind of like. Just tested it, you know. I was getting 11.5 to 127, so it's definitely a back half car. Like, it's kind of slow off the line, but then like once the turbos get spooled up, it goes, you know.
Yeah. I mean, it's a completely different building.
Yeah.
It's cool to see this in person.
Thank you. So you probably saw that stock, right?
Yeah. The old Freedom Run.
Yeah.
Mustang Week. September, so we'll get to play around with Mustang.
Yeah.
I don't have a Camaro, but it's okay. I like them.
Yeah, you too. I can open your door. I'll open your door, you know.
A lot of great stuff for you guys to go talk to, get educated on some stuff. So we again appreciate you guys coming out on this great day here. So great day. Stick around. If you're not in a rush to get back to wherever you're going, we do have races here at Beech Bend Raceway Park style. So I know some of my friends who travel long. Come out tomorrow, see how.
Yeah.
What do you say? Ladder, baby.
Has the silver Camaro. Again, that's the only information in the car. We greatly appreciate it. Budweiser Lane, and then you've got Philadelphia.
was his trailer that had the blowouts, not mine. So
Yeah.
But yeah.
Well, big fan. My name is Alex.
Matt, appreciate it, man.
Yeah, Xander 13 on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Sweet. People like on YouTube, they're like, we don't own Camaro, but we love your car, so we we watch it. He's like, I got a Dodge Challenger or a Mustang or whatever, and I'm like, dude, that's cool. Like,
I've owned everything, so. See what you got? Show me. That's cool. It's pretty orange.
All the way from California. Lethal Camaro, awesome on Instagram.
See that white bar?
Follow him at Lethal Camaro. You got Greg Carlos from all the way from Missouri.
Holy hell. What do you think?
I don't like that.
That's crazy.
It is. We are going to open the lane.
Let's see. All right, so it's crazy hot out here in Kentucky, Bowling Green, Kentucky. But it was really cool to be able to meet Matt from Lethal Garage and Nick from Guitarmageddon. So definitely go give those guys a follow. You probably already have, but if you're not familiar, definitely go do so. They're both cool people in person. It was pretty cool. I got to talk to Nick for a while, and I got to explore the Freedom Rocket. It's a badass machine, I'll tell you that. Oh my God.
1/4 mile at a time, I imagine.
All right, guys. I was hoping that they'd have these things here. So we're gonna take an up close peek at a 2019 Camaro, the new refresh.